Chapter 5, Nutrients in Food. When we come back at our home from school, we feel hungry and we ask for food. Our body needs energy to move, work and play. This energy comes from food. Food is essential for all living things. It helps to grow and to fight diseases. When we sleep, our body uses energy to keep internal organs like the heart, stomach, brain and lungs working. Where do we get this food from? Let us find out. Sources of food. The food we eat comes from plants and animals. Plants are our biggest source of food. They give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oils, seeds, spices, tea and coffee. Animals give us meat, egg, milk, fish. Categories of food. Ideally, different types of food nutrients can be classified according to their functions into the following categories. First, energy-giving foods, carbohydrates and fats. Second, bodybuilding foods, proteins. Third, protective foods, vitamin and minerals. Fourth, roughage. Fifth, stored energy food, fats. Nutrients. We eat a large variety of food items. There are 5 different components in our food called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are needed for growth, maintenance and repairing of our body and energy production. Energy-giving food, carbohydrates and fats. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for all body functions. They are composed up of sugar. Our body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose to give energy. These nutrients give us quick energy when we are playing, exercising and working. That is why eating a large amount of carbohydrates is necessary for those people who work hard. Sources of carbohydrates. Rice, wheat, bread and sugar. Potatoes, sweet potatoes and sweets. Fats. Fats are also energy-giving food. They provide us more energy than carbohydrates. Our body needs very little fat. Consumption of fat in excess is not good for health as they get stored in the body and increase the body weight. Sources of fat. Animal fats, butter, cheese, milk, fish, oil, meat, chicken. Vegetable fats, mustard oil, coconut oil, sesame oil and sunflower seeds. Nuts, almonds, groundnuts, cashew nuts, pistachios. Proteins. Proteins are the building blocks that help our body to grow and repair. Proteins are needed not only for muscles but also for hair, skin and internal organs. When we get hurt or bruised, it helps us to repair worn out or damaged cells. Sources of protein. Animal sources, milk, egg, cheese, meat or fish. Plant sources, pulses, beans, soya bean, etc. Protective food, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins are organic substances present in small amounts in a variety of foods. They are required for carrying out vital functions of the body. Although they are needed in small amounts, they keep us healthy and protect us from diseases. Sources of vitamins. Animal sources, meat, egg, fish and milk. Plant sources, pulses, fruits and vegetables. Functions of vitamins. Vitamin D in milk, egg yolk and cod liver oil, fish is good for strong bones and muscles. Vitamin A in carrots, fish and eggs is good for eyesight. Vitamin C in oranges, lemon and tomatoes is good for the bones, teeth, gums and skin. Vitamin B in leafy green vegetables, soya bean, banana, eggs, milk, legume is good for heart and nerves. Minerals. A large number of minerals are present in the body. They are required in small quantities and are obtained from food. Some of these minerals are calcium, iron, potassium, phosphorus and sodium. Calcium and phosphorus are essential for making bones and teeth strong. Iron is necessary for the formation of hemoglobin in our blood. Deficiency of iron leads to anemia. Sources of minerals. Calcium in milk, yogurt, cheese, egg and soya bean is good for building strong bones. Phosphorus in garlic, sunflower seeds, kora, broccoli, bananas and fish helps the muscles to work. Iron in apple juice, brinjal, dried fig, spinach, apricot, carrots and beetroot helps in building up our teeth, bones and blood. Roughage. The fibrous material of the fruits, vegetables and other food which cannot be digested by the body is called roughage. It has no nutritive value. It prevents constipation and helps in the proper movement of the digested food in intestines. Sources of roughage. Raw vegetables, fruits, mashed corn, oats, wheat, etc. are good sources of roughage. Water. Our body contains about 70% of the water, and also every vegetable contains water. It is an essential component of food that is needed in large quantities. It plays an important role in the body's system. Sources of water. We obtain water from drinks such as fruit juices, coffee, plain water, tea, and milk. We can also get water from vegetables and dried fruits. Balanced diet. A diet containing all the essential nutrients in required quantities is known as a balanced diet. It is necessary for the proper growth and functioning of the body. A balanced diet has energy-giving foods, body-building foods, and protective foods in sufficient quantities. The food pyramid helps us to eat a variety of foods every day to get all the nutrients we need to grow strong and big, and at the same time eat the right amount of calories. Junk food. Any food that has poor nutritional value and has fat or sugar level is known as junk food. Junk food is easy to carry, purchase and consume. Junk foods are empty calories. An empty calorie lacks in micronutrients such as vitamins, minerals and fiber, but has high energy. Calories, burger, pizza, chips, wafers, cold drinks, pastas, etc. are junk food. Preservation of food. If you take a piece of bread, wet it with a few drops of water and leave it outside for a few days, what do you think will happen? You will see thread-like structure growing on bread, which is a type of mold. When food comes in direct contact with air and moisture, molds and germs begin to grow on it. These foods are bad for our health and may cause food poisoning. We can preserve food for a long time by many techniques. Method of food preservation. Boiling. Boiling food items help to kill germs such as milk and water. Refrigeration and freezing. Refrigerating and freezing help to preserve food for a longer time. Canning. Cooked food in airtight cans is also an effective way of preserving food. Many food items such as grains, vegetables, fish and even cooked food are canned and sold in the market. Salting. Salt acts as a food preservative and is added to chips and